Ephesians 5:25. Ephesians 5:25.
Yeah.
5:25.
Gotta do for love. Gotta walk like Christ. Gotta walk in faith. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes.
Ephesians 5:25.
If the question is what I do for love, the answer is I would do it all just because. I remember when I met you, we fell in love. We were searching for a future, but we found us. And we couldn't describe it, but we knew what it was. And it's one distraction, we focused on us. Just the two of us pursuing us. And next thing that we knew, there were 7 of us. Now we drive a white van, we could drive a bus. You could have chosen a nice man, wouldn't have us. I could have chosen another wife, wouldn't have us. And in my only life, I wouldn't have much because you're my wife and you're all that I want. The reason for achievement and the reason for a song. So if the question is, what would I do for love? I would do it all again for your love.
For you, for love.
Gotta do for love.
You tried everything, but you don't give up. What you won't do for love. Yeah, baby. You tried everything, but you don't give up.
Like a man,
lay down his life to die for his friends. There's no love that's greater than this. Yeah, there's no love that's greater than this. Greater than this. Like true love, a sacrifice. You lay down your life. You stay up late at night to get that job done. You gotta provide. You get the option to choose to decide. Like when you cry tears from your eyes for the ones you love. When you gonna step up in life, what you gonna do for love?
what you gonna do?
You tried everything, but you don't give up. What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you don't give up.
I'm supposed to love my wife the way Christ loved the church, but never find myself in perpetual search for anyone who knows or believes that verse. Ephesians 5:25, that's the verse. Cause marriage is a gift, marriage isn't a curse. Ephesians 5:23, put God first. He's the head of the wife, like God's the head of the church. You should listen to it twice if you're in